Okay, in this video we're going to answer the question, how do I merge two Python dictionaries together using a single expression? Now, again, as in many of these videos, we've got old school versus new school, and in this case, older school is Python 3.5 and greater, which is not that old. But in this, you use the unpack operator, which is the double asterisk. So here we set up two dictionaries, X and Y. The overlap is they both have B in them, and that way we can show how changing the order of things gets B set to either 2 if X takes precedent or 3 if Y takes precedent. So here we go. We're going to print out braces around it to make it a dictionary, and then we're going to unpack X followed by unpacking Y, which means that anything in Y that overlaps X, it will take the place of what is in X. And then we're going to print the opposite of unpacking Y and then X. And so you can see here in the first case, B is set to 3, which is Y, so Y takes precedent. In the second case, B is set to 2, so X takes precedence here. Now, let's go over the new school, which is Python 3.9, the current version that's out there. And they use the pipe operator as a merge operator when using dictionaries. So here we're going to print X merge Y, and then Y merge X. And same thing that happened up here, except I'd have to say this looks a lot better, using the pipe versus, braces, double asterisks, a little uglier, a little more typing, more elegant, a little less typing, but you've got to be using Python 3.9. Now we're going to go old school. So here we go. We're going to use dictionary update, which has the side effect of replacing the original. So if you don't want to replace the original, I'm going to do new dictionary. I'm going to make a copy of X, and then I'm going to update this new dictionary with the values of Y, and we're going to print it out, and sure enough, B is 3, which if we go back up here is what Y is. So a lot harder. There's, 2 lines of code, a lot more typing. Only use this if you're using older versions of Python. But there you have it. That's how to merge two dictionaries, new school, old school, and then old school. Please subscribe to these videos and hit like. It helps me get traction on this channel, and I plan on answering many more of your Python questions. Thank you.